I checked out the 125cc mini Jeep, and honestly, it's way more capable than you'd expect from something that looks like a toy. On the surface, it has that classic military-style design, chunky tires, metal frame, working headlights, and it definitely turns heads. But what surprised me most is that this thing actually drives like a real, small vehicle, not just a gimmick. The 125 cubic centimeter engine is strong enough for casual off-road riding, neighborhood cruising, and light trails. Top speed usually lands around 35 to 40 kilometers per hour, depending on the model, which is pretty wild for a mini Jeep. The steering feels stable, the suspension is basic but functional, and the brakes are decent for its size. It's not built for hardcore terrain, but for everyday fun, it's solid. That being said, buyers should be aware of a few things. These mini Jeeps are often sold by multiple resellers, and quality can vary a lot depending on where you buy. Some models arrive well assembled, while others need extra tuning or adjustments. Replacement parts can sometimes take time to source too. Overall, the 125cc mini Jeep is surprisingly legit. If you want a fun hobby vehicle and don't mind doing a bit of maintenance, it delivers a ton of value for the price.